This parakeet can say aloha.
There's it again.
Hi, Oscar. Aloha. Aloha.
He speaks so rarely.
Early, yeah. What did it say?
Aloha.
Hello, bye-bye.
He bites. He bites? He bites, yeah.
Oh,
Anything with a mouth bites.
yeah?
How do you chew your food?
Yeah, true.
He sticks his head so you can pet him and then he'll bite your finger.
Yeah, that's not for you to pet him. That's for him to lure you in.
Take
Yeah,
off,
I know.
yeah.
That's what he wants to do.
All right, monster. You want to go peacefully? Yeah, you're going to know right there. Now, here, give him a choice. You want the stick or the glove? Offer him the glove. Put your hand in there. He hates the stick. That's it. Aloha.
There he goes.
Ah. Oh, nice.
Show everybody how handsome. Show handsome.
Wow.
Show them how handsome you are.
Oh, wow.
What a handsome bird.
Oh.
What a good bird, isn't it?
Ah, smart. I miss my dog now.
Aloha.
Aloha. Oscar's not as mean as people think he is. He's just misunderstood.
That's great. I like that blue color, that blue and purple in the back. Looks
Okay,
nice.
guys. Aloha.
Thank
Good
you.
bird.
Yeah.
We're